The report highlighted that the national prevalence of disability at 5.7%.
The 2014 Population and Housing Census report indicated that the total population of persons living with disabilities stood at 12.4%. The 12.4% as of 2014 did not include persons living with albinism, hard of hearing persons, persons living with epilepsy, which category was later included in the 2024 census. The 2024 Population and Housing Census report indicated that the percentage of persons living with disabilities now stands at 5.7%. which indicates a reduction by 6.7%.
14 Population and Housing Census report placed the total population of persons with disabilities at 12.4%, while the Uganda Functional Difficulties Survey report of 2017 put the total population of persons with disabilities at 16.5%. Any right-thinking Ugandan would thus expect that the total population of persons with disabilities is above 12.4% and not reduced to 5.7%, as the report suggests.
According to Nudipu, the reduction in the number of persons living with disabilities from 12.4% to 5.7% in 2024 is a misrepresentation of figures.
We have created awareness and told people to bring people with disabilities out of the houses, to bring them to the public, and indeed people are there. So if we say that the number has reduced, government is going to imagine that 5.7 is a number that they can ignore, so they will not plan for them, they will not budget for them.
They are concerned that this is going to further suppress representation and service delivery of persons living with disabilities in government programs and budgeting.
A housing and population census that pointed to 12.4%. A decision was taken by government that under the parish development model, persons with disabilities would benefit 10% of those funds. So by implication, if you now come up with a smaller figure, the argument will be why is 5% getting 10% of these funds? So automatically, it will imply a revision downwards.
Nudipu wants Ubos to do a fresh analysis and come up with a justification on reduction of percentages and further categorize the disability prevalence by districts.
The statistics on disability should further be analyzed to provide a clear disability prevalence. That the second Uganda Functional Difficulties Survey be undertaken.
The 2017 Uganda Functional Disabilities Survey report indicated that the total population of persons living with disabilities stood at 16.5%, slightly higher than the 2014 census figures. Susan Naunga reporting for UBC TV.